of December, every day we have been getting 4 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 11 lakhs sometimes, and it is going on. So till date we have recovered about 1.77 crores. The two petroleum companies, especially the Hindustan Petroleum and Bharat Petroleum, their arrears were due from 2008 also. Bharat Petroleum has paid 57 lakhs to us. So from the Hindustan Petroleum, their amount was lesser. It was something to the tune of some 22 lakhs or 27 lakhs, I think. But a demand notice has also been served to them. So altogether, with that 57 lakhs, our recovery has been to the tune of about 2.3 crores. And also 2.1 sec, I'll tell you the 2.34.
We have not targeted trade licenses as well as the rentals. If you cumulatively take the entire period into consideration, it might be about 16 crores. But then there are some places where, for instance, government departments are not liable to pay taxes. They are still figuring in our computer database, which has to be written off. There might be some old structures as well, which have been still assessed for the purpose of tax. On and over that, a new building has come up. So if you do that reconciliation might give us a back up the figure to about 13 crores.